Hi, I'm Jeremiah Hines, and today we're going to talk about voice camera tracking. This is a new feature, something that we've developed at Audio Video Experts. We're really excited to share it with you. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into a little bit of the equipment and what drove this solution for us. So we can use multiple types of microphones, ceiling microphones, etc. This is a beamforming microphone from Clear One, and we have more information about this in the description below. So here we are in a traditional conference room. The product or technology that we've been using is a beamforming microphone. This is the beamforming microphone up here in the ceiling. What's cool about it is it can individually pick up each person inside of a beam. That's what gives us the ability to do tracking with this particular product. The beamforming microphone actually has individual beams, basically we'll say per chair. So if this person speaks, the camera's going to track this person. If that person speaks, the camera's going to track to that position, etc., all the way around the table. So the camera is a pan-tilt zoom camera. We have multiple models of these. But essentially what happens is that camera is going to track a beam. That beam that comes off the microphone is going to drive a position for that camera to go to at the table. So I'm in one position, and what I'm going to do is demonstrate how I move to another position and how the camera tracks me. Now the key here is we have a few second delay so that it's actually got a little time to react to the movement. Here I go to this other position. I'm going to continue to speak. I'm going to give it just a second, and then the camera is actually going to track me over to this location. In our meeting room, we'll have an interface from our touch panel, which is going to give you the ability to control how wide and how big the shot is. If you've got just a few people in a meeting, maybe 4 people in a larger meeting, you're going to set that preset differently. If you've got a lot of people, you're going to get a wider shot of the room. However, when you go to tracking is going to take over those presets. You're going to see that this all gets grayed out, and then it's going to go ahead and do auto tracking based on what the beamforming microphone is receiving. Okay, so I've got Chuck and Ray here. We're actually in a video conference, and we're going to demonstrate how the camera tracks. So here we go. Chuck, are you ready to do final programming and deliver racks?
Programming is ready to go, short of operation based on the entity of who's going to be using it. Rack is ready to go, to be installed and wired on site.
Okay. And Ray, how's your team looking as far as cabling and final installation?
We got one more plate to cable. Boom lift is being delivered tomorrow, and brackets are in.
Okay, thank you. So this is Jeremiah Hines with Audio Video Experts. We thank you for joining us on our voice tracking for conferencing and collaboration, and we hope to see you in our next install.